Hey there, welcome to the 1x tutorial series. Today we're going to explore the 1x interface, helping you become a pro at navigating our decentralized exchange platform. We'll kick off with the 1x landing page at 1x.net, and then dive into the web application at app.1x.net. Ready? Let's head over to the 1x.net. On the landing page, you'll see a sleek and easy-to-use design. In the top right corner, you'll find 5 helpful buttons: Docs, Blog, FAQ, Language Selector, and Launch App. Clicking on Docs will lead you to our extensive documentation. Blog opens up insightful articles. FAQ addresses common questions, and Language Selector would let you choose the most comfortable language for you. Want to jump straight into the action? Just hit Launch App. In the center of the page, a large 1x logo catches your eye, accompanied by a catchy heading and subheading. Underneath the subheading, you have 2 buttons: Let's Trade Now and Learn More. Can't wait to start trading? Just click on Let's Trade Now to head directly to the DEX application. If you're eager to learn more about 1x, hit Learn More to scroll down to the Knowledge Base section, where you'll find easy access to Docs, Blog, and FAQ. As you scroll further down, you'll discover a section called Key Features, where you can get the lowdown on what makes 1x special. Keep scrolling and you'll reach the Knowledge Base section, giving you even more resources to deepen your understanding of our platform. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a list of useful links, such as privacy policy, terms of service, security, trademark, and contact us. Want to connect with us on social media? Check out the icon on the right side, representing our Discord, Twitter, YouTube, and GitHub channels. Alright, now that we've covered the 1x landing page, it's time to explore the web application in detail. Click on either the Launch App button in the top right corner or the Let's Trade Now button in the center to head over to app.1x.net. Stay tuned for the next part of this tutorial, where we'll guide you through the web application step by step, helping you master its interface in no time. Alright, now that we're on the 1x web application, let's get to know its features and functionalities with a focus on interface. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button with a small drop-down icon. Clicking on it allows you to choose between the available networks, currently Ethereum and Polygon. This flexibility enables you to trade on your preferred network, depending on your needs and preferences. On the left of the network selection button, there's a Connect button that lets you connect your wallet to the 1x platform. This is a crucial step in trading on a decentralized exchange like 1x. On the same button, you'll find a small drop-down icon, which opens a box where you can choose between the available languages and switch between dark and light themes. In the middle top of the page, you'll see 2 tabs, Trade and Pool. The Trade tab is open by default. So, let's explore that first. Inside the Trade tab, you have 2 sections, Swap and Bridge. Starting with Swap, you'll find a box where you can set your input token and the amount you want to trade. Click on Select Token to choose the token you want to receive in return. This feature allows you to quickly and securely exchange tokens on the 1x platform. On the top right of the box, there's a toggle labeled Advanced. Clicking on it reveals your trading history, which can be helpful for tracking your past transactions. Beside the toggle, there's a setting icon. By using it, you can set your slippage tolerance, transaction deadline, and enable expert mode, which turns off the confirmed transaction prompt and allow high slippage trades. Be very careful using that. Now let's check out the Bridge section. Here, you can set the token you want to bridge, the source network, the token you'll receive, and the destination network. This feature is particularly useful when you need to move assets between different networks, such as Ethereum and Polygon. Moving on to the Pool tab. This is where you can provide liquidity to the 1x platform. As a liquidity provider, you'll be able to open a liquidity provision position and add liquidity to the available pools. By doing so, you can earn fees from the trades that happen on the platform, making it a potential source of passive income. And that's it. You're now familiar with the 1x web application, its interface, and its key features. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore the platform and try out the different functionalities. Happy trading!